Instead of having tea with dessert, what if you combined the two and made tea-infused desserts? In Asia, they've been cooking with tea for centuries, but most people have never thought about trying it. But when you cook with tea and you infuse it into your recipes, you're infusing not only the flavor, but also the health benefits of the tea. I'm Marlis Arnold.
And I'm Alan Arnold.
And together we are Adventures with Tea. And we've been cooking with tea for more than 2 decades, and we've developed a few hundred recipes, which we've shared in our cooking classes, our e-magazine, on our blog, and then we're also the authors of the Tea Explorations Journal.
In this class, we're going to share some of our favorite dessert recipes: cakes, puddings, crepes, and more. You'll discover basic techniques and flavor combinations, and you'll get full color recipe sheets that you'll be able to follow along. Now, don't worry if you're not a chef or you don't think you cook well, because we're not chefs either.
Nope. When I was in grade school, I joined 4-H, and so I spent years learning how to make cookies, cakes, breads, biscuits, and I have quite a few county and state fair ribbons to show for it too.
And I've been cooking ever since I was tall enough to reach the stove. Cooked with Mom and Dad. They gave me my first cookbook when I was about 10 years of age. I still have that cookbook, but I've been cooking, creating, and experimenting ever since.
So let's get started and have some fun making tea-infused desserts.